always look so perfect, I can't help myself. Cancel all my plans to get you by yourself. Doesn't even matter, cause you make me feel.
Hey guys, hey, welcome back to another video. If you are new to this channel, do me a favor, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and thumbs up this video for me, please. I would highly appreciate it. So just real quick, I just came through to tell you guys about my double-ended locks that I have in my head. They are called Renate's Locks of Love, okay? It is from a company called dreadshop.com. If you have not been following my channel, you obviously do not know that I have done quite a few photo shoots with them. I've modeled for them before, different types of double-ended locks, double-ended dreads that they have to offer on their website. Do check out dreadshop.com. But this is their newest edition. It launched this year. I can't tell you which month. It was recently. The locks are called Renate's Locks of Love, okay? And they come in various different colors, but what's unique about these locks here is that they are more on the natural looking side. If you look up close, you could see here, they have like this kind of a natty look, if I'm making sense. The texture is just much more of a nappier look, you know, you get what I'm saying? These are considered crochet locks, but they are considered double-ended locks. If you've been following my channel, you already know the difference between a single-ended lock and a double-ended lock. And as you guys see, and if you've been following my page, you know that I got my hair cut all the way around. It's time for a haircut still. Y'all, I just need to make my way to the barbershop. So yeah. In my head, I have a total of 16 double-ended locks. So that is equivalent to 16 plus 16 because the locks have two ends. So of course, when you insert one lock, that is equivalent to two. An average head, you need about 4 bundles. And each bundle, there are 10 locks as of now. So do check out the website for more information. They have all of that in their description on the website. How many packs, how many bundles you need, because it does not come in a package. They are all about, they are trying to work with the environment, protecting the environment, so it won't come in any type of package. It'll just come in your box with some brochures. So yeah, I was just coming through to tell you all about these locks. They are super light, and it's not to try to sell these locks to y'all. These are super light. Yeah, and sometimes I just wear them like this, like all of it to the back. Pretty long hair. These are the bum length ones. They have shorter ones. They have, you know, just gotta pick which length you want. They have the links on the website. I always get the bum length ones, which is the ones that touch your butt. I am 5'3", pretty much like how long these are on me. They are pretty long. Double-ended locks have been my go-to, like, as of lately. They are so quick to put in. Since my head is shaved all the way around, guess how long it took? It took me 35 minutes to put these in. With a full head, it would take you 2.5 to 3 hours, because you do braid these in. You just stick them in between your hair and braid and seal the end of your hair with an elastic band. Does not matter how long your hair is. It does have to be a certain length, but if it's longer, there's techniques of installing the hair to make your hair shorter on with the locks. So I have all those types of videos in the description box if you want to know how to install these. Super easy, y'all. These, oh my god, it is so easy. I have tutorial links in the description bar, so do check it out. Everything you need to know will be in the description box. I also like to wear them like this. Like if I just want to wear them down like that, I absolutely love double-ended dreadlocks. They are like a game changer for real. Thanks guys for watching.